How to change someone's name on messages. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can change someone's name in messages, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, whether it is your SMS app or Google Messages or Apple iMessage, right? Your Messages app comes from your contacts. So if you want to change someone's name on Messages app, you have to change their name on contacts, and the changes will also reflect on the Messages app. So you can go to your contacts. So let's say you're trying to change a number or a name for a particular person. You can simply go ahead and select that person here, and then you can simply try to change their name from your contacts itself. And when you change the name from contacts and edit it, the changes will also reflect on the SMS app next time onwards. So you have to change the contact name basically. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.